And I think it really inspiring, at least to me, that Lemke Road is associated with a wildlife area. It is so much of my photography I've dedicated throughout my life in relation to wildlife. So go figure. Enjoy the rest of the ride. I am doing some drone footage as well of this. It was fun. If you got time and you're in the area, make sure you just stop and take a pass through. And maybe think of me while you're doing it and say hi.